Lauren Bostwick joining us now. This is a first alert weather day that we're talking about for tomorrow.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
And we had a lot of big activity happening even this evening. And the thing is that we have a big frontal system that'll swing through as we move into the day tomorrow. It'll collide into moisture, instability, and even a little bit of wind shear. And that's going to lead to the potential for some more severe thunderstorms. So we're talking about all modes probable here. So anything from wind, hail, even tornadic development will be possible here across North Texas. I want to show you what happened just the past 6 hours. We actually saw a couple of showers and thunderstorms pop up into Dallas County around that 4 to 5 p.m. hour. Then more activity developed around 7 p.m. tonight, really ignited, broke a capping inversion, and moved off to the east. We saw very large hailstones, even up to 3 inches in diameter. So we're talking tennis to baseball, even softball size hail in some of these spots. We did have a lot of rain that happened into Dallas County, and they did have a flash flood warning that has now expired, but more rain on the way. Tonight, we dry things out, just a little bit of cloud cover, but tomorrow morning, the potential for a couple of spotty showers, maybe a couple rogue thunderstorms in our northwestern counties moving up and along the Red River Valley will be a possibility into that 11 a.m. hour. Even a few more cells possible here across the Metroplex and our eastern counties. Some of these could contain severe criteria, but the big activity likely to move through into the evening hours. We're talking about 5 p.m. That's when I'm anticipating some of the strongest activity to take place ahead of our next frontal system that swings through. Right now, our forecast model is showing some development over into Cullen and Dallas County, but again, anywhere across the Metroplex could see the potential for a hefty downpour, maybe even some stronger thunderstorm development. This will all push off to the east as we move into that 6 to 7 p.m. hour into East Texas as we move into the evening hours, and then we finally calm things down. Storm Prediction Center has a level 3 out of 5 threat anywhere shaded in orange. That's going to include anywhere from Dallas and off to the east and up to the north towards Paris and up and along the Red River Valley. Anywhere in the yellow shaded area, that's a scattered potential for severe development. You're still level 2 out of 5. Make sure you're keeping your eye to the sky as we head into our first alert weather day. Again, it's in effect for tomorrow. All modes of severe weather will be a possibility, and so that's why we got to keep a very close eye on this forecast. Let's talk about tonight. Current conditions not looking too bad out there. Temperature-wise, we're sitting around 81 degrees. Humidity is at 74% and winds out from the southeast around 8 miles per hour. Feels a lot nicer than it did earlier today. 93 is what we got to, and yes, we broke a daily record high temperature. 92 was the previous record that was set back in 1987. So it got very hot today. Why did it get so warm? Well, it's because we had compressional heating taking place ahead of our next frontal system that'll swing through. Let's talk about tomorrow. We're waking up in the 70s. We have a chance for some rain in the morning, especially for our western counties and northwestern counties. As we continue into the afternoon, temperatures climb into the 80s. In the upper 80s, we're well above average into the latter part of the afternoon. In fact, high temperature 88 degrees is the forecast high for Dallas-Fort Worth, 93 in Breckenridge, and up and along the Red River Valley, we're in the low to middle 80s, depending on where you're at, and just depending on how much cloud cover we do see and if we see storms in the beginning of the day. We have an alert for tomorrow, but look at this, an active week will remain in the forecast. But the good news is as things clear up and cool down moving into the weekend. That's right. Temperature is 88 degrees is your forecast high for tomorrow, but temperatures take a dip, 72 on Wednesday, back into the 60s into Thursday and Friday, and then a lovely weekend ahead. But don't forget, keep your eye to the sky as we move into the day tomorrow.